Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called lumens (Xlm). To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. By end of 2022. Xlm reacts to the upside. Stellar Xlm records a positive performance in 24 hours as the crypto market in general recovers from its sell-off. As of press time, Xlm trades at 20 cents with a 4.8% profit in the last day. On January 25, Stellar Development Foundation (SDF) Vice President of Technological Strategy Tomer Weller announced via Twitter the integration of smart contract on this network. With a tentative deployment date set by the end of 2022, this addition could transform Xlm's ecosystem and use cases. As Weller clarified, the SDF aims for a feature-complete test network for that period. However, he believes the ecosystem must decide when to roll out smart contract capabilities on Stellar. Weller will host a Twitter space today at 12 o'clock Pacific Time, PT, to provide more details. Weller said, Stellar enables equitable access to the financial system. DeFi is becoming a major part of that system. DeFi isn't new to Stellar. It's been core to the protocol with a built-in DEX from the get-go, before DEX was popularized and AM functionality became available in 2021. The logical step of that development is to support the introduction smart contracts, Weller said, and take DeFi on Stellar to the next level. These capabilities could aid the network and its ecosystem to fulfill the vision of the SDF by lowering the barrier of entry. In addition, developers working on this network will be able to create products with trust-minimized functionality. More importantly, Stellar will no longer have to implement the spot section, followed by the introduction of the LSP asset. Later, the development team designed and implemented the Academy, the OBM client, the lottery client, and the auction client. Right on schedule, the team has now accomplished its 9th milestone, designing and implementing their DAO client. According to the lumens team, the DAO client has the necessary modules for a standard DAO to allow all Stellar ecosystem projects to run their governance processes. lumens chooses to use the Stellar network for its DAO due to the low transaction fees. This will enable community members to participate in different governance processes without spending too much of their assets. In addition, the network will help lumens provide an excellent user experience while interacting with the DAO client. To use the DAO, projects will be required to send an email to the lumens team. Each project will be evaluated based on lumens criteria. All projects that meet the criteria will then go to the next step and pay 50k LSP, lumens native token. Proposals created on lumens DAO client have a 5-day duration period, would trigger this pattern and plump the Xlm price by another 20-25%. Since reaching its multi-year high last year, Stellar Xlm dropped south toward its long-term 16 cents floor. The recent falling wedge, white-dashed breakout, gave Xlm the much-needed hike to topple its long-term trend. A sustained close above its near-term liquidity range, point of control POC, would position Xlm for a test of its southbound 20 EMA near the $0.2 zone. At press time, Xlm traded at $0.1952. Since Xlm struck the $0.8 level, it plunged to consolidate between the 19 cents 39 cents range for over 8 months. The previous bearish phase marked a down channel, white, on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 63.4% from 10 November and hit its 13-month low on 24 February. Meant major protocol changes to deploy a product, DApp, or decentralized service. Weller also claimed the SDF is currently looking at smart contracts programming languages and virtual machines, VMs. These could be developed by the SDF or they could use an existing programming language. It will benefit the most from smart contracts on Stellar. The nonprofit organization will have 3 priorities when selecting a programming language, as Weller said: safety, scalability, and equitable access. At the moment, the VP for Tech Strategy believes there is not one off the shelf that fits the bill. In that sense, he claimed they are currently looking into existing networks and learning a lot to evaluate the components that work. The Stellar ecosystem will apparently have a voice at choosing this key element of its smart contract functionalities. Weller added, for users, DeFi on Stellar means direct access to a global network of on and off ramps. The latest player to join, MoneyGram, will provide crypto cash conversions in 300,000 locations around the world. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar, XLM, a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. Xlm Rate Prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. Xlm Rate Prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Xlm Rate Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027,